Wow, wow, wow. So this is just too good to be true, right? Some people will see this and they say, no, this is not right. This can't be right. How can they be giving out this kind of money in estate? Yes, it is happening, guys. Okay? For people that are taking action today, it is happening for them. If you don't want to take action, that is still okay. All right? But this August promo, they are matching any amount of money that you use to purchase estate, as long as that money is as little as $1,000, or I would say minimum $1,000, right? So if you purchase a property that is 1,000 and above, estate says that they are going to match that amount with another free property. So this our member just purchased, today is 10th of August, right? Just purchased 15,000 worth of property, and that 15,000 has been credited back as bonus, which they are giving, okay, to match whatever amount of money that he or she has used to purchase that property. They match it up as well. So guys, this is great, and I am going to continue to tell you guys about this promo until when it ends. It's ending on the 22nd of August. So if you want to jump in right now and take advantage of this bonus, this will be good, right? Because it is promotion that they are doing. So they want people to benefit more. They want people to get more properties into their portfolio. They want people to earn more into their portfolio. So let's dive right in and just share the good news, share the screenshots that I got from one of our estate members that has just made this purchase. Okay, he was really happy to share the screenshot with me, and he asked me to record this video for you guys to see. Okay, the idea is to encourage your people to take part in this promotion that is happening in estate. Now, if you look at this screenshot that he sent me, it's actually from his mobile phone. Okay, so he accessed estate through his mobile phone. If you guys know me, I am a computer guy. I like my laptop. I use my laptop to do most of the things I'm doing. But 80% of the people in my team, they use their mobile phone, which is good, because anything you are doing on your laptop or computer, you can also do it on your mobile phone. Okay, in estate, the app for estate is coming out this summer, so people will have access to the app as well, especially the mobile phone users, right? But whatever you can do on the web base of estate, which is the website of estate, you can still do it on your mobile phone, guys. That's why it is good, and that is why I was able to be sent this screenshot from this our team members back office. So as you can see, it is color coded. I always like to color code my screenshots just to give it a bit of clarity to people that are watching my video. So if you follow the green color coded information, you will notice that this is the free 15,000 property. In fact, it's not even 15,000, it's more than 50,000. As you can see from there, it is $15,987 free, given to this particular team member for purchasing a property of $15,987. And that is why at the bottom here I says 100% matching property bonus. That is exactly what estate is doing, and that is exactly what they have done with every single member that is taking part in this promo for this August. It ends on the 22nd of August. As you can see from here, this member purchased Somera Villa for $15,987. And then within few hours, if not even minutes, estate now credited his account with free $15,987 worth of Venetian property. So again, I am not saying you should put 15,000 in estate if you don't have the 15,000. go for the lowest bonus requirement qualification, which is $1,000. That is what you need to purchase a property right now for you to earn the matching equivalent bonus. So if you use 1,000 to purchase the property today, you will get another 1,000 free property, credited in your back office. As you can see from here, this is a Venetian villa, right? That has been credited. The guy purchased Somera Villa, and boom, 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 everything is done. That is how estate works, guys. So right now, the account seems to be fresh account, and you can see that this is a total of $31,984. Just approximate it to $32,000. Guys, I am really, really, really grateful, for just being in estate and experiencing this kind of promo that they are doing. Okay, they have promised that they are going to do this, and they are not doing it. What else are you looking for in a platform that is always delivering, always consistent, always trying to show you how transparent they are? I don't know what else you guys are looking for. Anybody watching this video and is not taking part in this promo, the person is already missing out. Okay, any amount of money from as low as $1,000 and above, you will get credited with the equivalent of that money in the Venetian property. That is what the promo is all about. So if you want to double your investment in estate, if you want to double the fractional purchase of property in estate, now is the right time to take action and do this, because after 22nd of August, I don't think you are going to get this kind of promo again. So once more, this is a fresh account. As you can see the dates, okay, look at the dates. On the 10th, this was done around 10 minutes past 8. Okay, and then the free bonus, okay, the 100% matching property was credited to the person's account just even before half an hour from when he purchased. So if you take away 10 minutes from 28 minutes, that is 18 minutes. So within 18 minutes of actually completing the actual purchase of a fractional real estate of Somera Villa, estate credited the person's account, with equivalent amount of money, but right now in different property, which is the Venetian property, which is what they promised anyway that they were going to do from the day they started running the promo. They said any property you purchase, they will match it up with the equivalent amount of money in the Venetian villa. So now let's dive right in very quickly and see how much profit you are going to be making from the Venetian villa for the 15,900 and something that the guy purchased. So let's go to the Venetian villa here, okay, and then enter 15,000. Let's go back and check that. 15,987. 15,987. So check out, guys, this is crazy, right? So estate is going to be giving this guy $939 floating profit. This is free. Estate is giving you almost $1,000 free every month for purchasing another property that is equivalent to this amount. That is crazy, isn't it? Right? So now let's check out the Somera Villa that he purchased for the same amount of money. So let me copy this so I don't have to type it again, and then select the Somera Villa, right? So this is the one that he purchased for 15,000. So let's put that money there. Look at how much this guy is going to be earning, okay, on a monthly basis, averaging 2,100. So if you add that 900 from the Venetian Villa, this is over $3,000, guys. Over $3,000 every single month. Come on. Anybody that is not jumping on this one, the person is just going to miss out completely when the promo ends. So guys, this is it. It's massive 15,000 free bonus from this our team member that just purchased Somera Villa for 15,987, and then now is getting the equivalent of that property in Venetian Villa. So 100% matching bonus promotion ending 22nd of August. If you want to jump in, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Let's rock these, guys. Let's rock this. This is the best opportunity, right? If you don't have 1,000, go and get 1,000. Get your property and get another 1,000 for free. The link to join is below this video description. Thank you. God bless.